part of Samvad ecosystem, we have designed a weavers residency here in Jamshedpur, and this residency is a collaboration that is between Tata Steel Foundation, Tata Sons and Chatterjee and Lal. So the objective of this residency is to create weaved and embroidered fabric for the Unity Light installation, which is a part of the Bombay House Art Program. And there will be an installation, there will be a long hanging installation that will be installed in the Bombay House, which the fabric for which is being made in residency mode at Jamshedpur. This residency altogether brought 16 weavers from 4 different tribes and representing 4 weaving forms, that are Bodo, Mishing, Toda and Lambani, to work on this particular project.
ये जो पैटर्न्स बना रहे हैं उन्हें हम फिर आगे अपनी इंस्टॉलेशंस पे लगाएंगे, जो कि टाटा बॉम्बे हाउस के मेन हेडक्वार्टर्स में जाके लगेंगे। इन लोगों के पैटर्न्स लोगों को दिखेंगे और उन्हें एक्सपोजर मिल पाएगा, जो कि नॉर्मली इन्हें नहीं मिल पाता।
This residency basically allows them to exchange culture and tradition and motifs that they try to weave in a form of logo. So each of the weaving form was given a particular Tata Group company logo to weave it, and they weaved the logo in their own traditional art form, keeping their motifs intact. Like the Bodo tribe weaved the ISCL logo, the Missing tribe weaved the Jaguar Land Rover logo, Toda tribe worked on the Tata Group logo, and the Lambani tribe worked on the Tanishq logo. So basically they all made certain meters of cloth that will be used in the Unity Light installation at Bombay House. And this residency was planned from 3rd February to 11th February at Tribal Culture Center, Jamshedpur. So they have tried to achieve something out of this so that their tribe, their motives, their tradition can be represented at a national level in Bombay. This platform will surely help them to gain that national recognition.